Alright, we had some great trades in the EVP. I just sent out an email a couple of days ago showing you how these strategies work. EVP3 today had is profitable. It had about, let's look at the trade. It had here's the daily report, or not the daily report, but the Tradestation performance summary, 1187.50 today on one trade. EVP2 took the exact same trade right here. EVP1 got in a little bit later. It was still profitable. All these get out at 2 o'clock Eastern Time, so you can see they exited at 2 o'clock Eastern Time, halfway through the counter trend rally. And I want to show you the performance summaries. Let's look at the performance summary. Here's for EVP1. This is going back to 2003. This was in my email report. As you can see, there's an average profit per trade of $75 since 2003. This has a tight stop loss of $300. So because when you have a tight stop loss like that, sometimes you have a lower percentage of profitability, but your average trades, your average winning trade is bigger than your average losing trade, so it can be a profitable approach. So that is EVP3. Let's look at EVP2. Here it is. It's making new equity peaks. It's done really well. Here's the daily profit. Let's look at the monthly profit. Up 14.25 this month. Last month it's 1937.50 on 8 trades. And let's look at this again. So you can see this is a profitable strategy. Now I want to bring in EVP1. Take a look at that. Here is the performance summary for that. It is the graph. It's also making new equity peaks. Let's look at the annual reports on this. As you can see, in 2010, 34.12.50 on 50 trades, so over $60 a trade. I want to go back and look at the annual reports for each of these. So I'm going to go back and I'm going to click on EVP2, and we're going to check out the annual at 63.75 on 64 trades. So you're getting $100 average profit per trade in 2010, and almost $100 average profit per trade the last 12 months. You can see that right there. 82 trades, 72.25, so about $90 average profit per trade. So we're outperforming the past because this performance summary goes back to 2003, and you can see $71 average profit per trade. So it's done a little better. Let's look at EVP3 again. Average profit per trade since 2003 is $75. When you look at the annual, it's around $80. Right here you see 2010 is around $80. It's around $80 there as well. Not quite $80, but the average profit per trade is pretty good on these trades. It's very selective. It doesn't trade as frequently. I want to take a look at the profit target as well, so I'm going to go over to that work. Alright, here's EVP3, same as the last strategy. It has a profit target of $300, so in a really strong trend today, you can see that it's taken 2 trades. It got in here, 139.88, got a profit target 139.64. It got in again at 139.33, took another $300 profit target at 139.09, and it's a strong trend. So you have these strong moves, a couple of trades. The non-profit target version did well today because the trend was so strong and sustainable. You have the performance graph here, a really nice performance graph with this profit target, very smooth. Your average profits per trades go down when you have profit targets. Since 2003, it's averaged $57, but when you take a look at the last 12 months, you have about $87 average profit per trade over the last 12 months. So it's an incredibly strong strategy. It's $30 over the it's about $30 over the $57 average profit per trade since 2003. So you similar results in EVP1 and EVP2, but I wanted to show you that today. I also want to take a look at Eurosurge. Here's the last trade in the Eurosurge. It hasn't traded since the 24th. Pretty good moves. This trades from 2 a.m. Eastern Time until 1 p.m. Eastern Time. So it trades during the European session. Let's take a look at the performance summary for Eurosurge here in real time on the video. You can see since 2003 it's averaged $84 profit per trade. Max drawdown of $6,000. Nice equity curve since this time, and since February of '07. Really strong equity curve. Also had a strong equity curve. It kind of went sideways from during the year 2006. But since then we've had some strong moves. Recent equity peaks. Looking at the periodic returns, over $100 average profit per trade. So in the last 12 months, you're $11,000 on 84 trades, and in 2010, $6,900 on 61 trades. So you're over $100 average profit per trade. Even in 2009, you're over $100 average profit per trade. $10,000 on 90 trades. In 2008, almost $10,000 on 108 trades. So just a little bit less than $100 average profit per trade. Once again, this trades at night. It's a Euro Surge strategy. These also work on the Forex markets. So you can download, you can lease all these strategies, the EVP 1, 2, and 3, the EVP 1, 2, and 3 with profit targets, and the Euro Surge, which is 7 different strategies. You can get all of these for $77 a month, and it includes the Forex versions as well. So you'll have 14 different Euro currency strategy windows, 7 on the futures, 7 on the Forex. There's some correlation, and you can choose whichever one you like or trade a combination of those. So that is the update on the Euro currency strategies that I wanted to share with you.